Okay, so today we are going to use Illustrator to trace image and create logos. First, I'm going to come to my original one. Going to use my selection tool to select this image, and I say Command C on the PC is Control C is a copy. Then I'm going to create a new document. Command V. Paste in this new document and use the selection tool. Select this object. And while you select this object, you can see on here there is a function. It's called image trace. Don't just click yet. Click this little triangle beside it because there are a lot hidden inside here. So you can try to see which one is better for you. Right now, I'm just going to do the black and white logo. When you do that, click there is an option image trace panel. Click this one, and this little property box appear here. You can just, there is a one called advanced. There is a little triangle. Click here, and here in the options, there is one called ignore white. Click this one. All right. After yes.
Image trace. Which one do we select in the arrows?
Yeah. After I finish recording, I will repeat and come to you. Okay. And after I choose ignore white, I come to expand. It's on top of here. Expand it. Look. Before I don't have the image, before I do that, is those little anchor thing is only on the side. But when I choose expanded, see those little blue line, blue dots is called anchor point. It means this one is transferred from bitmap image into vector image. How I know that? I'm going to give you example is when I say this one is a vector image. When I enlarge it, you didn't see any little bitmap, little pixel thing, right? If I go here, Apple C, I'm going to copy here, you will see. If I say enlarge into the same size, did you see the blurry? Yes, you did, right? Blurry, blurry, but clear, clear. That's the difference. Bitmap image, reverse vector image. All right, after you're done with this, going to hold down this control and click your mouse and see on group, because I'm going to select this little dots and shift and click those two little dots. I'm going to come to the path, click this field button, and I'm going to choose a red. And I say here, I want this to be a blue or even purple, dark purple. Or if you want to create any other colors you want, you can. Or if you want a gradient, you can do the gradient as well. All right. And after this, you finish this logo. Always save this original. You go to File, Save As. The original one, by default, you give a name. The extension is .ai. Okay? Always save your Illustrator.ai file. And you go save. And then when this finish, you say, okay, now I'm ready for creating a logo for my website. Your website logo could be any size you want, and it depends your design. And for now, I'm going to say File, Save for Web. Going to say, okay, 180, thinking, okay, 120, okay. So always choose the, uncheck this clip to artboard, because if I make this still checked, look, those extra space is going to around this logo. So always uncheck this. And that here is depends on if you want to save on the JPEG, which I don't recommend, unless you have a lot of colors on the logo, which I don't recommend as well, because logo design is best is the simple, and try to limit the color into 3. Don't do more than 3 colors. All right, and you choose a gift and has a transparent background, which the size also, you can change the size into some, like, if you want to compress a little, you can do that. If you don't want it, that's fine. GIF or PNG 8, up to you. So the size is really small, it's only less than 10K. So you decide, okay, the gift is a 14K. Here, PNG 8 is a 10K, which is better. Then here you're going to choose the transparent background. Everything here is good. And then you go to save. Save. And here by default is going to have a given name, is going to .png. All right. Still download. That is the way how you use the trace image. So we are going to, this one, we see, just cancel this. I'm going to do another one. To choose this feather, same Apple C. Apple N is create a new document. Apple V. And hold down the Shift key, enlarge this, and image trace. You can do black and white logo as well. After this, same thing, we come to here and ignore white, and then expand it. And then here I'm going to choose this feather, something blue, and this pass. Going to choose something here. Going to ungroup it. Just hold down your mouse and control and ungroup this. So if you cannot do the shortcut, you just go to object and ungroup is here. All right. After you ungroup this, you can change the path color into something. If I want some gradient, I can do that. Like a kind of fading out gradient. And the same thing here, file, save for web. GIF or PNG 8, up to you. Okay, and save.